Watch now, here is the hey my beautiful people, thank you for joining me. Today I'm bringing a little something different for you guys today. Watch now, we in a blizzard today in Toronto, Canada. It's Monday morning and it's a beautiful day, but it's a blizzard. We have snow up to our neck, you understand? Come now, join me now. I want to show you guys something outside and I have to clean all this. I need some help, right? Snow pants. You guys gonna help Shields today. I love the snow, but I wouldn't lie to you guys, I don't like cleaning it. Watch now, you guys would not believe the amount of snow we have. Well, you guys see this is crazy. It is beautiful. It is beautiful, don't get me wrong. This is where Canadians love snow sports. The only sports I doing this year is shoveling snow. You know we had to do it right. Always protect yourself. Wear the proper gear. Now, most of you seen this and they might start to bawl. There's robbery shells going on. Nobody's used this in Canada. So let's see shells underneath this, right? Usually when all I see this is like, don't move, nobody move. Come through. Join me today, my beautiful people. So guys, this is what we dealing with here. I want to show you guys how high this fucking snow is. Watch out this guy. It's -9. It's a beautiful day today in Toronto, Canada. Watch it now. Watch me here. And I want to tell you guys here now. Take care of yourself physically and take care of yourself mentally. We love you guys. Alright? Shirl's Kitchen Mashup out here. I real work to do all it. I didn't see a video for the next couple months. I had to clean all this. I love you guys. I need help all here. Let's see what I gotta do here. Don't laugh, this is the equivalent to rain in Trinidad. When it rains, everybody flood out. When it snows, everybody like this. So every single house is like this right now.